Hey y'all, it's Cassandra with Pecan Porch Boutique. Well, I feel like I need a big cheap tablet and a number 2 pencil with this little Crayola crayon colored desk here. But y'all, we're gonna take it from Crayola to Charisma. I'll be giving this desk a two-tone look using DIY's layered chocolate and little black dress, along with this giant French stencil and some molds by Iron Orchid Design. I don't know who's gonna come get me out from under this desk, y'all, but this little French tip brush sure comes in handy for painting legs. I'm gonna be giving this flat top a little extra texture by taking my brush in every different direction. But did you guys see that bee trying to pollinate me? Excuse me, Mr. Bee. I don't know you like that. That's why I had to wear my mask, y'all. I'm using DIY's Big Top to seal this piece, but I'm using my sponge applicator for the top. Okay, time for some stenciling, you guys. I'm using DIY's Golden Ticket. Now don't forget, with the patinas, you need to stir it up and you need to make sure you offload your brush. I might have gotten carried away with this French stencil, but hey, who can go wrong with French words, right? I decided to do the drawers too. Did you guys see that smiley face guy in there? I'm so sorry. You gotta go, fella. I'm gonna also use this golden ticket to give my legs a dipped look. And y'all, I changed my mind. I decided that I was going to use IOD's Botanist Journal Transfer on the top rather than the molds. And just a touch of gold gilding wax around the edges. Hey y'all, well, it's all finished. No more crayon colored desk. And it's a good thing too, y'all, because kindergarten just called and they wanted it back.
Try to make